What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and I'm so excited today to be presenting to you my newest product, Hustle. Hustle, a grooming clay for men, is my newest product in my hair care line. This is a unique product because it is designed specifically with entrepreneurs in mind. As an entrepreneur myself, I want to make a product that really embodied and supported the entrepreneurial lifestyle. The new product is named Hustle because hard work, dedication, and passion are all qualities that are essential to being an entrepreneur. The concept behind the performance of the product is something that is easy to use, pliable, healthy for your hair, and long lasting. It's a grooming clay that you work into your hands and then work through your hair and leaves you styled in seconds. As an entrepreneur, time management is crucial, and this product doesn't take a lot of effort, but leaves you with styled hair all day long. The scent of Hustle is aimed to be a very welcoming, fresh, and sophisticated fragrance. Being an entrepreneur is all about personality, likability, and how you present yourself. Whether it's a nice suit, a nice cologne, or a nice hair product, people will pick up on that, and the fragrance of Hustle complements those characteristics. With Hustle, the modern entrepreneur will be smelling good and looking good all day long. Hustle started off, I'd say about maybe a year ago or so, and I got a formula to test, and it seemed okay at first, but then the feedback I got was it was way too oily and too greasy. But the performance of it was awesome. And with a lot of things sometimes, as we all know, we put our thoughts and our hearts and our minds into something, and if it doesn't work out, sometimes we say, well, forget it, wasn't meant to be. I've never been like that, and that's kind of where Hustle was inspired, the name Hustle. And I said, you know what? I'm not giving up on this. So a few months later, I revisited the product and I went back and I said, let's fix this. Let's make this where it's perfect. It goes through the hair easily. It styles in seconds. It's not oily. It's not greasy. And it's just the easiest, most user-friendly product that can be made. And then I got a sample with 3 different scents. My team and I, did some polling. We went out in the streets, all sorts of stuff to find out, which is the best fragrance. So a lot of work has gone into this with any product, but what's important is the name Hustle. Now let's just talk about this for a minute. And as you guys know, with all my products, I'm, very unique with my names. Every product, it has a very specific meaning to it. And I've been in this industry for over 20 years, right? I'm starting to lose track, 22, 23 years. And 10 years ago, when my mother had passed away, the woman who adopted me, I said, I want to do something in her memory, and that's when I created the Salon Guy. And also inspired from that was going onto YouTube and typing motivational speeches. And I came across someone named Gary Vaynerchuk, and I learned that he had a book called Crush It. I read Crush It, and I followed the book step by step. And about 2 years later, we made some sort of connection, and we had a relationship ever since. And I've been fortunate enough to do some cool things with him, and he's always been supportive of me. I never take advantage of our relationship in any way. And I'm in his newest book called Crushing It, which is inspired by people who have read Crush It and actually are doing stuff. So that's a huge accomplishment for me. And he also wrote me a testimonial for my book called Brand You. And he always talked about the word hustle. And to me, what hustle is, and I know it's a very commonly used term in the entrepreneur, being an entrepreneur, and in that space, everyone talks about, dude, you gotta have hustle, you gotta have hustle. Basically what that means is you have to put the work in, right? You have to make a lot of sacrifices, you have to put the work in, you have to be dedicated, committed, passionate about what you do, and I'm obsessed with my brand, folks. I'm obsessed with creating new products, I'm obsessed with the work, the drive, the hustle that goes into this. And it's inspired by entrepreneurship. So, my goal is to get this out to, great millennial entrepreneurs, people who are out there, working hard, because this product is very efficient, it works quickly, gets the job done, and has great results. And to me, that's really what entrepreneurship is, something that's super, super high quality and can deliver. And that's what this is. So really, it's great for all hair types. Really amazing for curly hair, for wavy hair, for taming it. It's just, I'm telling you. Now, if you're one of those guys who's looking for super crazy strong hold, you've got super thick hair, you want something that's gonna last you like all day, be bulletproof, then I would recommend something more like Pregame or something that's a lot stronger, Clutch XL. But if you want something that's gonna go in the hair very easily, style your hair in seconds, not have no tug or pull, that's gonna have a good true kind of medium hold, a very natural finish, just something that goes in effortlessly, this is the product for you. I'm telling you, it's really, really incredible. And the fragrance. Now, this is something very interesting about the fragrance. I like to joke, but I say this has been kind of hot chick approved, meaning every girl who smelled this all said, if I smelled a guy wearing this, I would literally like melt. So dudes, I'm telling you, chicks dig this scent. And whatever it is, like male or female, if you have short hair, this is an amazing, amazing fragrance. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So I wanted to show you kind of some quick demo footage on a mannequin of how easily this applies into the hair. Okay, so let's talk about consistency. It's your kind of, standard cream colored, clay, and I'm so obsessed with how this looks and the texture of it. So scoopability, I mean, literally, it's effortless, okay? Effortless. So when it goes into the hand, okay, just like that, there it is, work it through, and as you work it through, it's like ultra creamy, ultra rich. You start to feel a little bit of that grip that is needed because of the clay, but then once you work it through your hands, it just kind of melts into the hands with just enough tack that shows it's gonna actually perform some holding capabilities. Nothing too crazy at all. It's very, very smooth and very rich. It's literally the perfect consistency. All right, so application-wise, it's in the hands, it's ready to go. Now this is obviously as a mannequin, it's got very, very thick hair. It's all emulsified into my hands, ready to apply. Again, it applies within seconds. Work it through. It goes in super easily. And here we have the finished result right in through here. So it's great for taming. It's great for adding a little bit of texture, pliability, and a true kind of medium hold. All right, again, it's got a very natural kind of finish to the hair. It's not an oily product at all. There's no, it's not greasy. Very, very manageable, very, very pliable, as you can see. No tug, no pull whatsoever. And it literally is an amazing product for just getting your hair done in seconds. And that's where the entrepreneurship kind of comes into play, is that you want something that gets through the hair, gets a job done fast, you look amazing, you feel amazing, and you're ready to go to work. So this, you don't have to be an entrepreneur, obviously, to use this, but that's where the name Hustle comes in. It's really, about inspiration, okay? And that's it. It's gonna have good, long-lasting abilities, really great performance, and I could not be happier with how this came out. All right, guys, so Hustle is available now. Slick Hair doesn't have it yet. It's on its way to Mocure. It should be there within, I'd say, less than a week. But very, very exciting news. I'm actually working on a deal right now to potentially offer extremely low rates for worldwide shipping. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's been brutal not to be able to ship to you guys all around the world, but I'm working on a solution right now that possibly within less than a month's time, I'll be able to offer my hair products throughout the entire world at an extremely low shipping rate. And I'm telling you, this is gonna be a game changer for me, so I'm really, really excited. Well, that's it, guys. Once again, the link to the product Hustle is in the description below. Let me know if you're excited about this. Let me know if you're really, excited about Hustle, the meaning behind it, and I can't wait for you guys to start trying it and loving it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.